These fish just know who knows how to catch them. That's awesome. Got to take the experts if you want to learn how to catch a fish. Looks like a pretty good fighter. Need a net, or are you just gonna barehand him? Smallmouth or largemouth, can you tell? Dang, killing me. Look at you. Guy's in a kayak less than half an hour, he's already got his first bass. Man, oh man. Show me the money. Oh, that's a sweet one. Let me come over and measure that bad boy. That is sweet. Nice. Oh my golly. Ah, way to go. Alright, now this just ain't fair. He's already got another fish on 5 minutes later. Look at that. What's that? How big is he? That last one was 19 inches, 3.5